Microsoft Office latest version 2024 and 365 and 2021. Any version. Installation error. Microsoft could not install. Error code 0-2048. Error code 2031. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option control panel click. Programs and features option click. Microsoft installation any versions in control panel window. Already installed Microsoft LTS Professional Plus 2021. Remove this software. File Explorer document reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Program files folder select open. Installation folder Microsoft Office. Control panel folder reopen. Select mouse right click. First option uninstall click. First button yes click. Ready to uninstall. First button uninstall click. Uninstalling process start. Wait and here few minutes. Done uninstalling. Process completed. Close button click. Control panel window lo removed MS Office 2021 completely. Control panel window close. Program files folder lo Microsoft Office folder completely remove. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Already installed MS Office 2021 or 365 and 2024 latest version. Installation folder remove select. Mouse right click. Delete icon click. Next downloads option select. Download folder lo already Microsoft Office any version 2021, 2024 and 365 installed folder select. Mouse right click. Cut option select. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. Paste keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V select. Office 2021 folder select open. Address bar mouse left click. Copy this path and location. Mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo CMD type. Right side run as administrator click. Type CD. CD means created directory. Space keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V. Enter key press. Second text command paste here. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V. Enter key press. Command prompt window close. We are getting things to ready. Installation verify. Process start. Wait and here few minutes. Internet minimum requirement 4 GB. Again wait and here checking process few seconds. Please stay online while Office downloads. Downloading process start. Task manager right side down section lo up arrow click. Microsoft Office icon click. Office is installing in the background 44% completed.